Hello everyone here, so welcome to the another lift. So here this is Osiedle Bohaterów, Warszawy. So this is based on Polish lifts in Warsaw. There's so many buildings like apartments, other places like more. And we got a SRAM elevators like this one here. Yeah, this model. This is a SRAM elevator. I bet it's 1960s or 1970s. After doing the local repression, but Railroads Online is coming soon for this month, or just next one, I think. This RAM elevator is actually have these old buttons. We're going down to the zero again before changing to another lift. This one has old buttons here, but another one over there is actually different buttons. Yeah, it's just a SRAM brand. The SRAM elevators here. Is he recording? Alright, so what about I can press the button if the lift can lift? Of course, I can press the button and leave the lift to go up the floor, another floors. And there's this one here. I think that's the same buttons, but different interior. Yes, different buttons inside. I think that's modernization. It's a 1970s SRAM. Oh wait, that's not SRAM, that's lift barrier. That's a lift barrier here. With new interior. No inner doors, but that looks fine. This lift weighs over 500 kilogram. Six person in here. We're going down again, and then we're gonna move to hospital. So yeah, that hospital has few lifts around, like 2 freight lifts and even other ones. Yes, they have basement, but not for staff only. But people can able to go to basement in the hospital. However, this game is underrated, so there's a lot of lifts here. So this game is underrated. So let's go to the hospital over there. Now this is the Osiedle Miejski. So this is the hospital of Bohaterów, Warsaw. So this is a Warsaw hospital, the Polish hospital. There's a lobby lift. There's a lobby lift here. I think that's a main one, or just a lobby lift. Yeah. Bell chime with SRAM buttons. This lift is kinda a bit detailed, but it looks pretty nice. But these Polish elevators, details like looks fine. Let's go to the parking floor so we can go to the main lifts. So this lift is actually a lobby one. So the main lift is definitely 2 of them. And even a lot of bangs. I think I heard the bang sound while the lift is moving. Now let's go to the next lift. So this is a stair, but it's called Skody. Skody, I think. I don't know how to pronounce the Polish words. The Polish language. The Polish one, I think. Alright, so the lift set, it says window in Polish. Yes, that's a lift. So this is our main lift, but there's a basement floor here. Different chime bells actually. High pitch and low pitch. Yeah, the S floor is actually for basement. Now let's check a basement floor before we go up the 5th floor, and then we go back to basement and we ride a freight lift. So over there is a freight lift, and this is a basement place in hallways. Let's go back to the 5th floor. And then we have to press this button again. Yes. There we go. Now let's go to the basement again to ride the freight lift. And there we go. The door is gonna be closed actually. Now over there's a freight lift. We can manually open the doors, and inside the inner door is actual manual. Oh, never mind, it's automatic for inner doors. There we go. 5th floor. I think that's the same floor as the main lifts and the lobby ones. The problem is that the button light doesn't work after we press, so I think that's how the condition works. Honestly, the motor lift is very rare in this game, so that's why I tell about it. I'm definitely sure that the motor lifts is definitely a bit rare to spot in this game. That's how I tell. Now we go back to the basement floor, and there's another ramp lift in the basement. So yeah, the lobby lift doesn't have a basement floor. Only these other ones have the basement floor. So I'm definitely sure the P floor is definitely for ground floor, but instead hockey floor. So are we able to send this lift to other floors? Wait a second. I think the button doesn't work, I think. I don't know. Let's close the door. So the lift go up. We gotta find another one. Wait, let me hold a second. I had to warn to my other family so they won't make copyright noises, so I just back again. The next lift is definitely a freight lift again. Yep, there's another freight lift. So we have to manually close. But the lift in the beginning that automatically close when we go to when you go up. But yeah, I think we should manually or something like that. That's why. Yeah, but different variants inside the lift here. Just like a wood plank. The interiors like the wood here. Going back to the S floor again, and we see another strap one. This way to the hallway in the basement floor. And then we ride the small ramp lift, not the main lift or the lobby one. There's another one I just saw. And after we ride the last lift in the hospital, we go back to the ground floor, or I said P4 actually. Then we go move to another building, like a hotel or apartment building. these things. Alright, no one's here in the game, so yeah, if the lift moves, the red light appears. Let's go to another lift to find another lift in this hallway in the basement floor. And the last one is another ZRAM. They have bell chime, just like a main lift, like that. Open the door. Wait, is it disconnected? I had to rejoin again because it got disconnected. I got disconnected, so yes, that's why. Oh, there we go. We're going back to the hospital again and we're at the same lift. I keep getting disconnected while I was recording videos. So after this hospital, we go to the hotel here. That hotel one. Alright. Let's find the lift. Wait, hold on a second. Alright, I'm just back. Alright, where's the ZRAM one? The small lift over there. Oh, there's a freight one. Yeah, that one. That way. Definitely that way. Window. There we go. Let's ride the lift. This is from 1975. And the same weight of 500 kilograms and 6 person. The lift barrio. Yes, the modernization of lift barrio, but the ZRAM, but the outer one is actually I see a ZRAM button. But inside there's a lift barrio buttons, but it looks like a modernized version from 1970s with new things added in this lift. In the place we're going to the next place. Alright, we're going to the, so we go to the hotel. Sorry for the guys in the background sound, it's just like someone just talking around or something. We're going to the Hotel Altos. Hotel Altos. We see 4 lifts in Hotel Altos here. Another one, and this is stairs. There's no service lift here, so it's just this type of main lifts. This RAM lift. This is the thing where the direction it points. Yes, the left is here. Oh wait, I mean the right is here. This one points to the right here. Oh, never mind. I just misspelled something. I just said a left. I think left. I think it's left. Original ZRAM elevator. going back to the ground floor, and then we move to another building. Sending this lift to 6th floor. Receipt aja. So finally, we're gonna film the lifts inside the apartments. So there's so many apartment lifts. So I decided to make this video into part 1. So, and guess what? There's RAM elevator here. So we definitely spot a modern lift in another apartments I just saw. So yeah, modern lifts can appear in some different apartments around. So after we found the modern lifts in the apartment, we end the video with a part 2. We're going back to the ground floor. Alright. 6th floor again. Now let's see another apartment. Close the door. Another RAM elevator. We're going down again. Close the door. There we go. So if we see a modern lift, we decide to write it, and we end the video to make this video part 1. I repeat again, so actually. And there we go. We found a cone elevator, the modern lift here. Seems the 8th floor is locked, I think. Or is it working? Oh, it's working. And this lift weighs over 400 kilograms and 5%. That is RAM lift. Less weight than a RAM elevator. But the RAM elevator I've read is actually like 600 kilograms and about 6%, I think. Or 500 kilograms, but I can't remember. But it looks like a same speed like a RAM elevator is. So this lift is made in 2010 actually. Because I see a date, it's actually from 2010. I got disconnected again? Really? Let me check dot chat again. Oh yep, it doesn't send. That means I got crash. I got freezing. Anyways, I'm just stuck in this modern lift, so we're gonna make this video part 1. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow in the part 2, or longer days actually. And bye for now on. We'll see you in the part 2.